On today's agenda, we are doing regular size knotless braids, and this is a full service. So wash, deep condition, and trim, and then the braid. Can I get over, y'all? Y'all gonna let me over? I'll see y'all once I make it to the shop. Might stop and get coffee. Not really sure. I don't really need it. I really don't need it, y'all. So, two things. I got my hair cut. That's why it's just this awkward Justin Bieber like flip out. Yeah, got my hair cut. Got my micro links taken out. And got my hair cut because I needed to grow healthy. So y'all might see me style my hair once I'm done with her. Honestly, I don't know. I just noticed my lash is coming off. I wiped my lash and completely forgot I did my individuals last night. So 2 creams, 2 sugars. So that's all I need. Thank you for moving, ma'am. Thank you. So basically, I need to stop drinking coffee because you see that? I need that to be gone. And I just drink it too much. Like I drink it too much, so I need a break. Should be done. Start at 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. I should be done anywhere between 3:30 and 4:30. So that'll be like 5 to 6 hours. I'm about to park and go in to my suite. It's Saturday, so it's packed today. Okay.
your day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this? In the drive-thru, order my food. Let's stay up all night. Let's pretend we're alright. In the drive-thru, I'm in love with you. Now I know what I should do.
Okay, so that's it. I'm done. I'm done. That really didn't take long. I got done at like right at 3. I thought I would be done at like 3:34. Really how I braid, like I'll braid each individual braid all going all the way down. But this time I braided like almost all the way down, but I stopped and I did that for each braid. And then when I went to finish the ends of the braid, it only took me like 15 minutes to finish the ends. So I think I might do that. It's just like OCD for me. I'm used to just braiding all the way down all the time. But I think I'm gonna start braiding like that. So it took 4.5 hours. Okay, Nikki. Get my speed up again with the washing, the conditioning, the end trip. Talking about TikTok and just how fast like you can grow on TikTok and how like easy it is to just have like your little 60-second video seen shown on different people's For You page. How you can have it shown on different, people's For You page and basically get follows, likes, and views. So my first ever TikTok that like did really good got like 13.5K views. So that was crazy. And at first like it had reached like it was at like 11 for a while. So that was like the highest it had reached, and then over time it got to 13.5K. So I uploaded a TikTok this week, and that TikTok got I think near 29K. Was it 29? I think it was 29.5K or whatever it was. And then I just uploaded one today, this morning, of trimming her in. I make a TikTok. I can edit it. I can make a TikTok and edit a TikTok in a matter of like 3 minutes, literally, and then just upload it, add the music, add a little filter, and then boom, you post it and you go. I love that concept. Oh my God, it's so easy. It's so easy and it's so quick. But that one is already at 7,000 views, and I uploaded that probably like an hour ago, maybe 2 hours ago, I'm not really sure. But I love the concept of TikTok. I love it. I wish YouTube was like that, but you gotta take what you can take. I'm about to fix my eyelash. I'm about to clean up my room, disinfect, wipe down my mirrors, and head out. I need to go to Walmart, and I was thinking Target, but I'm not sure. I think Walmart would probably be more affordable.
You how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have?
Okay, and that's a wrap for a day in the salon. Doing one client, it is 3. I am heading out. It's probably like past 3, but I am heading out. I am all cleaned. I am ready for my other task for the day. I will see y'all in my next video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me in the salon, just showing y'all my daily work, my day-to-day work. This is what I do Tuesday through Saturday every week. And yeah, I am here. Stay tuned for my next video. If you did like this video, this concept, thumbs up for more. I'll do more videos like this. Of course, some days will probably be different. Maybe I'll film the process of my next photo shoot. I did have a photo shoot not too long ago, the first week of September, I believe. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment if you love me, if you like me, if you have stayed this far. Make sure you tell me. If you have stayed this far, comment the third eye emoji, which is the circle, the blue circle with the white dot and the small black dot in the middle. And I will know you stayed to the very end. I appreciate you. Thank y'all so much for y'all support on my last video. Like I said, follow me on TikTok, Jalandria. Follow me on Instagram, Jalandria and J Nicole Custom. Follow me on Facebook, J Nicole Custom, and check out my website. I have all types of links in the bio. I'm trying to get better with the YouTube again because I do miss YouTube. My cousin has been motivating me to get back into the YouTube life, okay? Because I got a couple things I can share. I got some shit I can say. So yeah, I will see y'all in the